Okay, so now I want to know that this decay series from P to Q, Q to R, all total how many alpha, how many beta decay? So we write, I want to answer in the simple equations, which is the, give me answer this one, P, Q, R. Right, so right now here, how many alpha, how many beta? Let's say example, let's say you got 4 alpha, so right here 4 alpha, okay, and a beta. So let's say there is a 2 beta, so example, okay. So then also with the working step lah. All right, so let's see who's going to help me to answer it. Okay, Chia Xing En. Puwana. Chia Xing En, Puwana, and Wu Xing Yi. Okay, three of you, please send me answer. Faster a bit. Hey girls, are you there? Please. Faster, don't let us wait there. Come on. Or any others volunteer, you're welcome to share your answer so that we can start the discussion. So the one I call, if you don't want to respond, it may affect your PBD result. Huh? 1.5 alpha? How got such thing 1.5 alpha? Seriously, my calculation given wrong, is it? No lah, you guys do wrongly lah. Girls, okay, remember, they got no such thing 1.5 alpha. Okay? Wait, we'll learn such thing 1.5 alpha. Alpha is alpha, only 4,2 helium is alpha. We got no such thing G21 is a half alpha. No wonder your chemistry results so bad. Adui. Right. Please, don't let your chemistry affect this chapter performance. This one's a physics, please. Okay. No such thing. No such thing. The half alpha, please. We only have either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. They got no such thing half or 3/4 or 0.2 alpha. No such thing. Right? So please do again. I give you another hints here. Strongly hints for you. This one's a neutron number. No neutron number again. Sorry. Number of neutron. Numbers of neutron. When you write the equation, what you need? Element equation. Come on, anyone? This one for sure is wrong. Got no such thing half alpha. Then you don't tell me, teacher, then altogether total 1.5 and 0.5 altogether, I got 2 alpha. Like that also cannot. All right. Okay. So this one, Juana's answer. Huh? Okay. Thank you. Okay, look at the Juana answer here. All right. So at first, you need to write the equations for the element P and element Q first, right? Element P and element Q first, right? Which is what is it? Okay. Okay, here. Right? So basically we need to do is just like the first example questions. Okay, only the difference here, this one based on the graph, you have to come out your own nucleon number and the proton number from the graph. Okay. So now element P we have here is the 21292. Right? Where to get 212? This one, element P we have the nucleon number. Nucleon number actually is a 120 plus 92. Because nucleon equal to the neutron plus proton. Okay, and then here proton number is 92. That's why when you total up, you have the 212 here. Same goes to the element Q. Element Q, you have the 114 plus 90, and the proton number is 90. Right? So when you total up, you have a 204. Element R, what you have is a 112 plus 92, and here 92. Proton number for the element R. And when you total up here, you have 204. Right? So, but there's a two different decay process. So that's why first one you're going to do is a P to Q. So as given by the Puana here, first we're going to do is a P to Q. So from P to Q, right? So when you write the equations to solve it, it will be the equation for the first one for the nucleon number. Nucleon number, you have the 212 equal to 204 plus 4x because we don't know how many alpha. We also how many beta. So we put as a x and y. Here you can put as a x and y. Right? So for the beta, it will be 0, -1 electron. Okay, so this one you no need to do minus here because you are not writing the single electron. If you writing single electron plus electron negative charge, yes, you put negative. So now it's write the equations already. So 0, -1. -1 is already here. So that's why you no need to include the negative signs on the fields. This one on the corner here. All right. Okay. So once you balance the equation, so you know that the x equal to 2, so means you got 2 alpha here. Then the y representing the numbers of beta, so you have a 2 beta. So it means that for the P to Q, this process, you have 2 alpha and 2 beta. Right, okay, so P to Q done already. So now they go to the next one, Q to R. Okay, when you do the Q to R, girls, okay, don't use X and Y again because X and Y is already used just now. Right? So later on, okay, in exam, they will have a Y got 2 different X value or what. Okay, it's possible to use the others alphabet lah. So since that you learn altogether 26 alphabets, right? So you have a lot of others options for you to choose. Or you can do the A and B lah. All right, A and B here. Okay, so A and B. So this one is a 4A. Okay, 4A here. This one is a 2A, this one minus B. All right. So at the end, you know that the A will equal to 0, and then the B, so B equal to 2. So it means that he got 2 beta here. So altogether, that is a process. If the question asks what's the total of the alpha and beta, total alpha and beta will be the total will be 2 alpha, 4 beta. All right. So, but when we're presenting in the simple equations, that is the answer. Right, P to Q, 2 alpha, 2 beta, Q to R, 2 beta. All right. So that's the way how we solve. So hopefully for those still not confident to write the equation with these two example, hopefully that you learn lah. Okay, about the balance the equation, get to know whether there's a beta, alpha, or the gamma decay lah. So as I mentioned just now, gamma decay usually we don't design the questions because just energy release. Right? Okay.